Hello guys, welcome to the Spark Tech channel, and we are now going to make a special video, a DIY project on how to make an ultimate rig. So it has the best, it will have many modularity functions that we are trying to achieve through our rigs. So see it and we build it. The things required for this: 3/4 inch diameter 12 bends, 3/4 inch diameter 8 T's, 35 centimeter 3/4 inch 4 pipes and 8.5 centimeter 4 pipes, and 1 inch 20 centimeter pipe and 1 inch 2 T's, and 3/4 inch diameter jointers, 4 5 centimeter 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipes, and 8 30 centimeter 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipes. This is for the legs, they form the main base, and 54 inch or 134.5 centimeter 2 long PVC pipes, 3/4 inch of a diameter. So this is the place where you're gonna just place the phone here between these two. So this is the stand, so cut it accordingly, put your phone here, and it's just one rig itself. So here's the first part of our build. We are going to build the base of our rig. So this 3/4 inch diameter PVC pipe, which is 30 centimeters long, and this one is 3/4 inch diameter bent. So we're going to place it like this, and here's another 8 centimeter 3/4 inch diameter. So it's basically everything's 3/4 inch except 1 or 2. So just consider it 3/4 inch. So this 8 centimeter long PVC pipe, we're going to place it right here, and here's a 3/4 inch diameter T. So it's just for the division purpose. We are going to do this one, and place it right here. And here's the second leg that we are going to do. So here we go. So as you can see, it's a basic structure of a leg. So it can't stand like its own. So we'll do one or more. Here we go. This, like this. It's all 8 centimeter right here. Function points or whatever. Bench, and one in there. So right now we have 2 legs. So we are going to join them. For that, in between the junction, we need some. So this is just 10 centimeter or 12, that whatever you want to call them. So 8.5. It's actually it's 8.5. This my cameraman just told me. So we just placed it here. It's considered as joint point, and we grab another point right here. This one, as you can see, it's one leg. So just adjust it according to the base as it's in a stable position. So it's not a wheelchair walker, it's just the base. So that's one thing. So I will just time lapse you to whatever you are going to see next. Sure. So here's the next leg of our rig building. So here's 135 centimeter. We have placed it one right here and one right here. So we are going to extend it, and as you can see, we have placed 2 joiners right here, so that you can adjust the height accordingly. If you want more differentiation in heights, add more joiners in between, cut the pipe accordingly. So we place this here and here. As you can see, it just reached the attainable height, and now we are going to build the upper portion, which is the slider part. So for that, we want to place T and T here too. Right here, place it across the slide. So these are 5 centimeter 3/4 of inch diameter pipe, PVC pipe. So we are going to use it just like this. But watch carefully now. So we'll place right here. And just for extending it to both the sides. So as you can see, there's a area for the railings to go around. And here, here, and these two. I can see our rig is taking shape, and now what we're missing is the center part. So before you add the, so now we are going to build the railings of our, so here's what about, these are 130.5 centimeter pipe, so 53 inches of pipe. So actually it's your wish how much long you want. So before we put that, so this is the part where it does everything, the slider works. So I'm gonna just put it right here. And here, as you can see, I have cut out a hole for our placeholder, which is actually with him right now. So these are 1 inch pipe, 1 inch in diameter, this T and the pipe itself. So this is 19 centimeters of pipe, and both all the three are 1 inch in diameter. So because as you can see, if you have 1 inch, then only you can move it around, so like this. So we are going to place it right. Put one right here. Oh, sorry. Give me that one. Nice spaghetti. Right here. So it depends on which side you want it to be. Yeah, you can use it this for drying clothes or something like that too. So we will show you that. Next, we just adjust these legs so they just get a stable position of that on the floor. And as you can see, it's a pretty big rig. So if you want to downsize, it's your option. You can do it accordingly. So here's what we'll. So here's the slider, and we will at the end of this video we will show you the different modularity and different rig types of which can be used for different purposes that we built. So this is it. So ultimate rig, that's zero. So this is the head part which holds the phone. So what I've done is taken a 10 centimeter PVC pipe. It's a 3/4 inch in diameter. So I have just cut it out with the ARSA blade, just the part where I needed to put the phone. So it's according, just scoop it in and you are ready with your rigs. I got it.